Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today I'll show you two ways to add pivot tables to a data model and manage it in Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we'll be working on a data table and a pivot table generated from it. Our goal is to create pivot tables that are connected to the data model so we can manage relationships, integrate multiple tables, and use advanced analysis features. Let's get started. In first method, we will create a pivot table while connecting it directly to the data model. This is helpful for ensuring the pivot table can interact with additional tables added later. To get started, click anywhere in the table, head to the Table Design tab. In the Tools section, select Summarize with Pivot Table. This opens up Pivot Table from Table or Range dialog box. Here, make sure the new worksheet is selected and check the box for Add this data to the data model, and then click OK. This directs us to a new worksheet. On the right hand side in the Pivot Table Fields panel, under Choose Fields to Add to Report, select the fields you need. In this case, I'll go for all of them. And there you have it. A pivot table is now created and connected to the data model. This allows integration with future tables and advanced analysis features. Let's move to the next method. In the second method, we will connect an existing pivot table to the data model and take a look at managing the model. This is useful when a pivot table was made earlier without the data model, or when there is a need to review relationships and organize multiple tables. Let's see how it works. First, click on any cell inside the pivot table. On the right hand side, in Pivot Table Fields panel, under Choose Fields to Add to Report, scroll all the way down and select More Tables. A small prompt will appear asking if you want to create a new pivot table. Click Yes. As you can see, this creates a new pivot table. Now to manage the data model, go to the Data tab. In the Data Tools section, click on Data Models drop-down. In the drop-down, select Manage Data Model. A dialog box appears asking if you want to enable the data analysis add-ins. Click Enable. A new Data Models window pop up showing all the connected tables, allowing review and management of relationships. And there you have it. We have created a new pivot table in a separate sheet and connected to the data model. At the same time, a data model is fully accessible so pivot tables can interact with multiple tables and sources efficiently. And that's everything for today on adding pivot tables to a data model in Excel. Get your workbook link below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.